All right, so here is the question that we're going to be answering. This is a Robinaire SPX 4 CFM vacuum pump. It has the gas ballast option, and I've got our CPS VG200 micron gauge hooked up to it, and we want to find out exactly how many microns the pump itself will pull down to. And I want to note that the oil in this is 5 years old. So I've got everything hooked up. I've got micron gauge on. I've got this port blocked off. Let's turn it on, and I'm going to give it, we'll say, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes to get going. And we'll start now. It looks like 4 microns is about as low as it goes, which is absolutely incredible. I think it took around 2 minutes, but that's with 5-year-old oil in here. Yes, I am going to change it, but I will tell you, this is the oil that's in it, is the Robinaire Premium High Vacuum Pump Oil. That's what I use in here. So if that's how you truly want to see how powerful your pump is do it with just the vacuum gauge on it. I am going to be doing some more tests with this, but I wanted to find out what the pump is actually capable of. So I would say that this oil is certainly still in good shape for being 5 years old. It hasn't been used that much, but I'm very impressed with 4 microns. Anyway, hope that was interesting, and I'll see you guys on the next video.